Welcome to the OneTouch TV Guide, your educational podcast dedicated to helping users better understand the OneTouch TV application and its features. In this series, we explore topics such as installing the app on Android devices, understanding compatibility with different phones, tablets, and Android TVs, learning about new version updates, improving streaming performance, and solving common issues that users may experience. Whether you're using OneTouch TV for the first time or simply want to get the most out of the application, each episode is designed to provide practical information in a clear and straightforward way. We'll also discuss playback quality, device support, application settings, security considerations, and helpful tips that can improve your overall experience. Our goal is to explain how the application works, answer frequently asked questions, and share useful guidance based on real user needs. Thank you for listening to the OneTouch TV Guide. Let's begin exploring OneTouch TV, one topic at a time.